Hi friends, this is Ribal Faisal, and today I'm going to show you my homemade TC motor. This TC motor work on the phenomena of electromagnetism that you also studied in books. Today I will show you this experiment practically, and here is some videos and images of the making of TC motor. Viewers, as you can see, my DC motor is ready. Now I simply tell you its construction. Viewers, I simply take two torch batteries. I make a loop of a copper wire and I passed a needle from the center of the loop. This needle work as a shaft and it is supported by the two clips. Here is two magnets, north pole and south pole, and I fixed split ring here and it is interconnected with the two brushes, and now I'm going to show you its working. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching the video.